This part work has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up part works that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. Thank you once more to Fanhome for providing me with this kit. I hope you enjoy the build. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 45 of Building Robocop. This is the gun issue, the time when we build the iconic Auto 9. I think it's just called the Auto 9. That's what they called it in the game, I think. So, yeah, we'll get to that in a minute. Looking at an unexpected soundtrack. I mean, the theme tune, but that's the only music I remember from Robocop. Was there other, there obviously are other songs, but yeah, nothing jumps out at me. It's quite a rocky sort of theme, but not rocky, but yeah. Anyway, so the pistol. Here we go. Does it call it? In this pistol, we'll assemble Robocop's pistol, which is stored in the holster on the right thigh. So yeah, we've got parts, no screws. It's all popped together. And we've got two sort of frame pieces, basically a barrel, trigger, and two bits for the ammo clip that goes in there. So we'll get that built quickly, and then we'll install it into the holster and have a look at the leg and the legs and see how it goes. But yeah, look at the bits that are still, the colourful bits are the bits we've done. We've got body to do, starting on the pelvis next time, so that'll be interesting to start. We've got Nightscope KS. Don't know, some sort of security delivery robot, maybe. I'm not going to read about it, but if you want to read, pause and go through that. Have a look at that, and then we can look at fuel cells. Yeah, fuel is the big thing that we need to sort out for electric vehicles and obviously other things, because batteries just ain't going to cut it. So yeah, fuel cells of hydrogen or other types are probably the way forward at the moment. Right, let's clear this out of the way. Let's get this pistol built. Yes, so here we have all the parts for the pistol. It's quite nicely moulded, coloured, and yeah, all good stuff. So what we're going to do is fit the trigger piece into there. That just pops in a little pin that I can't get my fingers around. Get that lined up. That just goes into a little locating circle. I have more trouble with this than I should, aren't I? There we go. That just goes in there like that. It's sort of like the hammer. Does the same at the back. Barrel just slot in place. It's not got an up or down on it. That's going to locate in there like that. Then we've got the other side goes on. Obviously everything then should line up on that. That will locate the two sides of the other bits in place as well. Nice. There we have it. So then we've got the two parts of the slide go on there. Let's get it the right way round. It's that way round. And that goes onto there like that. That one doing the same on the other side. And then popping together. Holds that together. Does that move? It does. It's got that bit of recoil when you shoot. That's that there. Then we've just got the ammo clip, which nicely enough in the game is infinite. Oh, do you ever see him reload in the films? I'm sure you do. So that will then slide up into there and just sort of pushes in place. So there we have it. The pistol is now completed. Let me bring in the leg and we'll see how it fits in the holster, and we'll go on from there. So here we go. The right leg, push the button and it opens up like so. And then that will just go into there. Got a little clip on the front there, so it's got to go in, got to slide in from the top basically. There you go. So that will hold in there, and then we can close it up and close it up. We'll need to work on that bit to get that to close down properly, but there we go. So there we have the leg with the gun hidden away out of sight. I thought I'd bring in the other leg just to get an idea of how they look together. And yeah, you can't tell. They're different, but obviously they're different in the film. This one's got the printing on it and the other one doesn't. But you can't tell that there's a pistol hidden in one of them, which is what it's all about. There you go. So that's that. I shall call that a night for this part of the build. Next time we're starting on something new, so I'll put these legs away for now until we get to attach them. What we're going to attach them to is the pelvis, which is what we're starting to build next time. Also, next time we're going to have a look at the free gift included in this delivery. So for now, thanks for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye for now.